Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Ford Focus brake light, updated. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to cut power. Gather a screwdriver, replacement bulb, and gloves. Keep the trunk or hatch open and work in good light. Follow manufacturer bulb specifications and handle the new bulb by the base to avoid oil transfer. In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Ford Focus brake light, updated. Start by opening the trunk or rear hatch and finding the access panel behind the taillight assembly. Remove screws or clips with the right screwdriver and set them aside. Gently pull the light assembly outward to reach the bulb socket and wiring harness, being careful not to yank on wires or damage the plastic tabs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it funny to ask a robot to tidy brake dust while you wrench, and it navigates around tools smoothly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it fits your shop. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Ford Focus brake light, updated. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out, then remove the old bulb by pulling it straight from the socket. Handle the replacement by the base, insert it firmly, and return the socket to the assembly, twisting clockwise to lock. Reconnect the battery, test the brake light with someone pressing the pedal, then reassemble the access panel and fasteners.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.